Dear GZ's friends, today we're going to prepare together a recipe that I personally love. Crispy chicken fingers to dip in 3 delicious flavors of mayo. Some spice and the usual rule, no cutlery allowed. Fried chicken with the quick mayo. Turn up the volume. Let's start from the chicken breast, already cleaned, boneless and fat-free. Let's get some nice strips. Let's scallop it. To get some nice long fingers. Fantastic! Nice bacon dish, and in goes our chicken. A drizzle of oil, salt and pepper. They can't do without smoked paprika, lemon zest, lemon juice. It will keep our chicken moist. In the juice. Sprigs of rosemary, that is always perfect with chicken. Let's go for it. Let's toss it to make sure that all our chicken fingers get marinated. Let's cover with plastic wrap. Let's put it aside. This is not a proper marinade, but I promise you it will work. Classic fried chicken implies a long marinating process. Different parts of the chicken, like drumsticks, thighs. But listen to me, try this recipe and let me know. Ready for the mayonnaise, a nice blending jug, a lovely wireless immersion blender, and soy milk. Season with salt, rice vinegar. It's more delicate, I like it more for these types of mayonnaise, and seed oil, all in together. Our blender, we immerse it and emulsify, moving your way down and then up. The base for our mayonnaise is ready, and now we'll make it take 3 different parts. The first will make it spicy balsamic with a wasabi paste. Let's whisk it. The second one with the delicate mustard. Also generous spoonful here. And its buddy, honey. Nice whisk here too. Look how it changes colour. And we'll make the last one with chives and Tabasco. A drop will be enough. Nice whisk here too. Very few seconds to create 3 delicious mayonnaise flavours. Have fun trying it home too. Maybe a spoonful of ketchup, spoonful of curry, to give it an exotic touch, you see. Mayonnaise ready. Turn the range hood on, because we are going to fry now. We'll raise the temperature of the oil, bring it to 170 degrees and take care of the breading. Flour. Beaten eggs. For the breading, I thought of 2 unusual ingredients, cereals and rosemary. Let's mix them. Cereals in. Unsweetened, obviously. Then rosemary. Rosemary that will match the sense of the marinade. So let's uncover our chicken. Small plate. Our chicken in the flour. Let's shake off the excess. In the egg. A fantastic pair of tongs to avoid a mess. And in. Look at that huge finger.
Olé.
Ready to dip the chicken. Not too many together, otherwise the temperature will drop. A minute, two, and our chicken fingers will be crunchy and golden. Obviously, I'll drain them on tissue paper and then we'll gobble them down. I'll continue like this with all the others. Our dish is ready. Crunchy, delicious, fragrant. I'll taste it. Dip in the mayonnaise and... Nice. Crunchy. Juice inside, perfect with sauces. Fried chicken with a quick mayonnaise. This is my version. I'm waiting for yours. Rinse on chicken here too. I like it.